it how to shifting desktop download documents picture other drive. No, okay, go to C drive, then users, then your file, desktop, right button, properties, location, move, then go your other drives where you create your file. Already we are already creating the desktops, so just select, then okay, then yes, then reflex, the desktop is shifting. Also document, location, move, our selecting, creating files, documents, select, okay. Also download, location, move, e drives, download, okay. Also picture, location, moves, yes, then also the video. Why we are creating, when the window is going to the crash, this desktop download documents, this file is no loss. Okay, done. You check this one is working or not. You go this e drive, all icon should be changed. Okay, done.